The first thing that I had to learn when I started out in the business was really not estimating. Of course, that is a big part of it. You know, sit down, break down how much you're going to have, and allow 10%. But one of the fatal mistakes that I made early on, over and over again, is I would forget the time that it took to go get the materials. That is, load up a trailer, air up the tires, drive into town, go in there, load up all those materials, put them on the trailer, strap it all down, and bring it back, walk it into the places you're working on. So whenever you're doing it, say if you're doing it for somebody, or if you're doing it for yourself, you need to allow that much time. This is probably an hour and a half altogether, moving it around. So, but other times you got to go another hour to the job, sometimes 2 hours. So you might have 5-6 hours with 2 guys, 3 guys. All that time you didn't put in. So you need to be careful. Now,